A 72-year-old patient called me last month, amazed that his wife was asking him to slow down for the first time in years. His transformation began with a simple 7-day oil protocol that restored circulation, energy, and intimate performance he hadn't experienced since his 40s. What happened during those 7 days will shock you. Hello, my name is Dr. Julia Merrick. For more than 11 years, I've been helping men over 60 recover their confidence, their intimate health, and the pleasure of living fully. What I'm about to reveal has been used by urologists and men's health specialists for decades, but it's rarely shared with patients because it's so simple that most men dismiss it as too basic to be effective, yet the results speak for themselves. This oil protocol can restore circulation and performance in just 7 days. The oil I'm talking about is cold-pressed olive oil, but not the kind you buy at the grocery store. I'm referring to extra virgin, cold-pressed olive oil that's been stored properly and used in a specific therapeutic protocol that maximizes its healing properties. This oil contains powerful compounds called polyphenols that have remarkable effects on your cardiovascular system. These compounds reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel flexibility, and enhance the production of nitric oxide, the key molecule that controls erections. But here's what makes this oil protocol especially effective for men over 60. It works both internally and externally. When consumed correctly, it provides your body with the healthy fats needed for hormone production. When applied topically using specific techniques, it improves local circulation and sensitivity. The 7-day time frame isn't arbitrary. Research shows that it takes approximately 1 week for your body to fully absorb and utilize the beneficial compounds in high-quality olive oil. By day 7, most men experience dramatic improvements in circulation, energy, and sexual function. The protocol involves precise timing, specific quantities, and particular application methods that maximize absorption and effectiveness. When followed correctly, this simple oil can restore vitality that many men thought was lost forever. Most importantly, this protocol addresses the root causes of declining performance rather than just treating symptoms. It heals damaged blood vessels, reduces inflammation, and provides the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. The first 2 days are crucial for preparing your body and establishing the foundation for dramatic results. Getting this initial phase right determines the success of the entire protocol. Day 1 morning. Start with 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil on an empty stomach immediately upon waking. This timing is essential because your body's absorption is highest in the morning, and the oil needs to be processed before other foods interfere with its absorption. The oil should be room temperature, not cold from the refrigerator. Cold oil can shock your digestive system and reduce absorption. Hold the oil in your mouth for 30 seconds before swallowing to begin the absorption process through your oral mucosa. Day 1 evening. Apply a small amount of the same oil to your genital area using gentle circular motions. The oil should be warmed slightly by rubbing it between your palms first. This external application improves local circulation and begins the healing process for damaged blood vessels. Day 2 morning. Increase the internal dose to 1.5 tablespoons of oil on an empty stomach. Your body is now adapting to the increased healthy fats and beginning to utilize them for hormone production and cellular repair. Day 2. Evening. Continue the external application but extend the massage time to 5 minutes. Use gentle, consistent pressure to promote blood flow without causing irritation. The oil should absorb completely within 10 minutes. During these first 2 days, drink plenty of water to help your body process the oil effectively. Avoid alcohol and processed foods that can interfere with the oil's beneficial effects. Most men notice subtle improvements in energy and morning erections by day 2. These early changes indicate that your body is responding to the protocol and beginning to heal. Days 3 and 4 introduce advanced techniques that multiply the oil's effectiveness and accelerate your body's healing response. This is where most men begin to notice dramatic improvements. Day 3, morning. Combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil with a pinch of sea salt and consume on an empty stomach. The salt helps your body absorb the oil more efficiently and provides trace minerals that support hormone production. Add a specific breathing technique. After consuming the oil, take 10 deep breaths while gently massaging your lower abdomen. This increases blood flow to your pelvic region and helps distribute the oil's nutrients where they're needed most. Day 3, evening. Introduce the warming technique. Warm the oil slightly by placing the bottle in warm water for 5 minutes. Apply the warmed oil to your genital area and inner thighs, massaging for 10 minutes. The heat increases absorption and circulation. Day 4, morning. Increase to 2.5 tablespoons of oil with a small amount of lemon juice. The citric acid in lemon enhances the absorption of the oil's beneficial compounds and provides vitamin C that supports blood vessel health. Day 4, evening. Apply the oil using the contrast method. Alternate between warm oil massage and cool water rinses. This creates a pumping effect that dramatically increases blood flow and accelerates healing. During days 3 and 4, many men experience their first significant improvements in erectile function. Morning erections become stronger and more frequent, and energy levels increase noticeably. The key is consistency and patience. Your body is undergoing significant healing, and the cumulative effects build each day. Don't skip applications even if you're already seeing results. Days 5 and 6 involve intensification techniques that ensure your results become permanent rather than temporary. This phase locks in the healing and creates lasting improvements. Day 5 morning. Consume 3 tablespoons of oil combined with a teaspoon of raw honey. The honey provides quick energy that supports the oil's absorption and contains enzymes that enhance its therapeutic effects. Introduce the circulation boost. After consuming the oil, perform light exercises like walking or gentle stretching for 15 minutes. This distributes the oil's nutrients throughout your cardiovascular system and maximizes its effects. Day 5, evening. Apply the oil using the deep penetration method. Massage the oil into your skin for 15 minutes, using increasingly deeper pressure. The extended massage time allows maximum absorption and creates lasting circulation improvements. Day 6, morning. This is the peak day of the protocol. Consume 3 tablespoons of oil with both lemon juice and honey. Your body is now primed to absorb and utilize these nutrients at maximum efficiency. Day 6, evening. Perform the complete restoration massage. Apply oil to your entire pelvic region, including the lower abdomen, inner thighs, and genital area. Massage for 20 minutes, alternating between gentle and firm pressure. Most men experience their most dramatic improvements during days 5 and 6. Erectile function, stamina, and overall energy reach levels they haven't experienced in years. The intensification phase also addresses deeper healing. The increased oil consumption and extended massage times help repair damage that may have accumulated over decades of poor circulation and inflammation. Day 7 is the culmination of the protocol and the most important day for ensuring your results last for months rather than weeks. This final phase seals the healing and establishes your new baseline of health. Day 7, morning. Consume 4 tablespoons of oil combined with lemon juice, honey, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. The cayenne increases circulation and helps lock in the oil's beneficial effects throughout your cardiovascular system. Perform the integration ritual. After consuming the oil, spend 10 minutes visualizing your restored vitality and sexual confidence. This mental component helps integrate the physical changes with your psychological well-being. Day 7, evening. Apply the oil using the sealing technique. Massage the oil into your skin for 30 minutes, using slow, deliberate movements. This extended session ensures maximum absorption and creates lasting improvements in circulation and sensitivity. End the protocol with the maintenance setup. Establish a routine for ongoing oil consumption and application that will maintain your results. Most men need 2 tablespoons of oil daily and weekly massage sessions to preserve their improvements. By day 7, the transformation is typically complete. Men report feeling more energetic, confident, and sexually capable than they have in decades. The key is transitioning to a maintenance routine that preserves these gains. Document your results on day 7 by noting improvements in energy, mood, and sexual function. This baseline will help you track your ongoing progress and adjust your maintenance routine as needed. Despite the protocol's simplicity, There are 3 critical errors that can completely destroy your results and waste the entire 7 days of effort. Avoiding these mistakes is essential for success. Fatal error number 1. Using the wrong type of oil. Many men try to save money by using regular olive oil or blend oils. These processed oils lack the beneficial compounds needed for healing and may actually cause inflammation. Only extra virgin, cold-pressed olive oil will produce the desired results. The oil must be stored properly in a dark, cool place and used within 6 months of opening. Rancid or oxidized oil can actually damage your cardiovascular system and make your problems worse. Fatal error number 2. Inconsistent timing and application. Some men skip doses or apply the oil sporadically, thinking they can make up for missed applications later. This completely disrupts the protocol's effectiveness because your body needs consistent nutrient supply to maintain the healing process. Missing even 1 day can set back your progress significantly. The 7-day time frame creates a specific healing pattern that can't be replicated with irregular use. Fatal error number 3. Combining the protocol with harmful habits. Some men continue smoking, drinking heavily, or eating processed foods while following the protocol. These habits create inflammation and damage that directly counteract the oil's healing effects. For maximum results, avoid alcohol, processed foods, and smoking during the 7 days. These substances interfere with absorption and can prevent the oil from working effectively. Additional mistakes to avoid include using too much oil too quickly, which can cause digestive upset, and not drinking enough water, which reduces absorption and effectiveness. The most important factor is patience and consistency. Follow the protocol exactly as outlined, avoid these fatal errors, and prepare to be amazed by your transformation. If this content was useful for you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave your comment with questions or experiences. And now, don't stop here. Click on the next video that's appearing on your screen and continue learning with me, Dr. Julia Merrick, how to live with more potency, security, and pleasure, even after 60. I'll be waiting for you there.